Alex, great to have you. There's a pretty good piece in the Times. Mike Isaac takes a crack at just how the metaverse is really becoming an existential bet on behalf of the company and Zuck. Does your view reflect the fact that that's going to be a losing bet?
Well, the thing is, with the metaverse, it has to work for Facebook. We don't know whether it's going to be a winner or a loser. But the second they started showing user growth declines, the second they started to show potential revenue declines or even stagnation, for the company, it became there's one thing and one thing only that needs to work, and it's the metaverse. Now, the problem with that is we're probably looking at 3, 4, 5 years into the future to see that bet pay off. And right now, we really don't know whether it's going to be a broad consumer application like the company's hoping or something more enterprise, which I think is more likely.
So your point then is that until we know if it's going to work, what, stock becomes dead money in the interim? Or how do you think the street processes that gap?
It could be. I mean, we had this with Microsoft, right? Microsoft had this powerhouse Windows business, all about the desktop machine. We moved into the age of mobile and cloud, and it took some time for that Azure bet to pay off. When it did, the people holding Microsoft stock were really happy, but it took 10 years. So I'm not saying that's necessarily going to happen with Facebook. Facebook is still a player on mobile. It's still a player when it comes to the advertising business. It's not Snap. It has data. It has reach. But it is going to take a lot of time for that metaverse bet to pay off. And I don't think right now you can bet on the stock as if it's about to pay off imminently, because it's definitely not.
Alex, it takes time. It also takes a lot of money in most cases. Yesterday, Meta said that it was going to raise the price of its Oculus headset. What does that tell us about its ambitions, how it can fund that pivot to the metaverse? Well,
it tells us that the company, like every other company in the economy right now, needs to start making some money. The market is no longer going to accept runaway losses forever in the hope of some faraway vision is going to come true. That was 2021. We're in 2022 now. Totally different ballgame. So Meta needs to show results, and I think this is part of it.
Yeah, but I mean, the stakes are too high. I mean, you look at an Alphabet, they're not scaling back investments in the cloud because they see the secular opportunity. Making consumers kind of in a very weird, indirect way pay for those ambitious efforts seems, I don't know, strange to me.
And I think you're hitting exactly on the tension here, right? If the company scales back its investments in the metaverse, if it prices those devices too high and it ends up shooting itself in the foot and hampering the progress of this situation, then in the long run, it's not going to have good results. In the short run, it's not going to have results. And it's in this epic balancing act where it has to find ways to make the street happy, but it also has to find ways to keep funding those long-term results that it's looking for. And if it can't get that balance right, it's in some serious trouble.